Get MultCloud Premium for free. Enjoy premium cloud transfer features and 200 gigs traffic at no cost. Check the link in the description down below to start enjoying 200 gigs cloud data traffic for free. You can connect more than 30 cloud services. There is no downloads, no upload, just cloud to cloud. There is no software needed in your PC. As easy to copy this license code and follow this simple instruction. Create an account, enter the license code and assist. You are going to enjoy encryption, security, privacy compliance. More than 30 cloud services are supported. Let's see it. This is the account. Those are the other clouds that you can connect and transfer, for example, from Google Drive to OneDrive, to Dropbox, to iCloud Photos, to Mega, and so on. You can create your own task leaks, start cloud transfer from one cloud to another cloud. Team transfer, just add the source cloud and share to any other account with your team. What about cloud synchronization? Just drop your files to start synchronize with your preferred cloud service, or maybe have a backup. Just drag and drop the files to start the backup, to save it in your favorite cloud services. What about website backup? Just drag and drop your website to have a copy on your favorite cloud service, or maybe a website clone. Just add your website and start cloning the website to another cloud provider. Or maybe email migration. Just add your email address and transfer all the settings to the cloud, or transfer files from your links, torrents, magnets directly to your own cloud, or share your files to anyone using the cloud services. Hurry up, don't miss this opportunity to get 70% off. With this great giveaway, you are getting 200 gigs data traffic for transfer file between cloud drive, as I mentioned before, migrate large folders between platform, run synchronization or backup tasks across cloud services. One important question: do I need to download anything to use MultCloud? No. It's a web-based cloud management platform. All transfers happen directly between cloud services. No local download or upload is required. As you can see it, I'm inside of the cloud service account, and I can start using any of the features to start transferring from the website. No download required. Don't miss your free MultCloud Premium access. Get premium features and 200 gigs cloud transfer traffic at no cost. Live limited time giveaway. Claim your code before the offers end. Just click and claim my free code, copy, follow the instruction, and start enjoying MultCloud Premium for free. Many thanks to MultCloud to trust intent videos to channel. Many thanks to watch until the end, and remember, see you on the next one.